How you doing? Oh no, you can take it. Well, hopefully you'll find all of your solar panels. Well, we're only a few hours after the hurricane passed. It passed last night, Hurricane Milton. Yeah, we're gonna go see what kind of damage we got. We don't have power. The well, our well pumps on the side of the house, they were knocked down, but it's only piping that took damage. The pumps themselves are fine. But I'm just gonna take the opportunity now to see what's going on with you know, like what kind of damage everybody took. Our area seems like it really wasn't affected all that much. I mean, obviously we're gonna lose power and whatnot, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, which is good, right? Over-prepared is better than under-prepared. There's definitely power lines down though. I mean, there's no houses like directly around these power poles, these power lines, so these always take a fucking beating. Look at that, we already fishing again. God damn, that's pushing some water. It's nice to see that no one's homes look like they were really taken out though, so that's a good thing. You know, fencing's replaceable. We got half the fucking country here. Every time a hurricane comes, you know, all the linemen come down here, so that's always cool. They get it done pretty quick. It's actually crazy how fast they do repair this shit sometimes. You know, half the grid will look like it's down, and then in 2 weeks everybody's got power again. Like, that's crazy. Oh, there's some power lines down, boys. Would not recommend touching those. Nah. I don't really think I'm about that life. But it's just one of them things, you know, you don't got power at the house. What are you gonna do? Sit there and suffer? Or are you just gonna go out and be productive? Or go fishing? I mean, shit, whatever you want to do, but yeah, I mean, there's nothing I can do personally. Everything at my house is taken care of for the most part, so. The eye of the storm was probably about 50 to 70 miles north of me. And when it was directly across from me, I mean, the winds were only 40 miles an hour. Like, I mean, we get normal storms that push that almost. And I was like, we're good. You know, we had power for a long time. Trees uprooted, you know. And this is one of the benefits to owning a motorcycle. If there is obstructions in the road, you're able to navigate around them. You just can't be hauling ass, right? You obviously got to be paying attention, but I mean, there's pros and cons to the motorcycle during events like this. Face value, you're probably like, look at this idiot on the bike, but when it comes down to it, you know, I can get through places that cars can't, so that's cool. Wasn't able to fill up the motorcycle before the storm though, so hopefully we don't run out of gas. I mean, I got like 30 gallons in fucking tanks, but that's for the generator at the moment. Once I start seeing gas stations open back up and able to pump gas, I won't be too concerned. And preferably, I would like to use that gas before I fill this up with regular gas, only because it goes bad after a while. I mean, you could put things like stable in it, fuel stabilizer, but you know. Alright, now we'll go ahead and check out the western part of town over into the other city where my vans are, and we'll go ahead and see what kind of damage we took down there, shall we? really though. Not much damage, which is good to see. Looks like everything will be back up in normal, and we got the vape store open, so that's cool. No, but for real, looks like everything will be back to normal in a pretty short amount of time. Doesn't look like it's going to take much at all. That at least goes for here in the Cape, but Fort Myers, you already know, took way more damage given the beaches and whatnot. Y'all, well, thanks for checking out my video. Really not much to see, which is a good thing in this video. So yeah, thanks for checking out my video. I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure you ride safe and like, subscribe.